I love this park. I really love this park. I really love this park. The mountain is divided into 4 vegetation zones, and each vegetation zone has its own attraction.
You will not believe what happens here, the bigger part of the year.
And it's truly landslide now is occurring almost frequent. And this is all effects of climate change.
But this word conservation, I like it very much because it promotes use, and this use should be sustainable.
And you know, if you are part of this protection, and you really see people are surviving, and this watershed is really helping people through irrigation, through a lot, you really feel you are really part of great conservation process.
I get the feeling that you're all very proud of the work that you do.
Yes.
For our future.
Yeah, that's all.